Hi friends, now I would like to explain how do you create vectors and matrices in MATLAB software. First let us go to the software. This is the command window. Now I would like to take a new script. Have a look here, new script. Once click on the new script, new window will appear like this. And sometimes for some systems, see, observe here the right corner. So editor actions, duck untitled 2. We have not given any title to this script file. Now this is duck untitled 2. Observe here, it is merged with the software itself. Or you would like to separate these with the MATLAB software. So this is like this. So this is how the editor. I already opened one editor script file like this. This is the script file. Once you click on save button, then you can save with any file. Now here, creating vectors and matrices. Click to clear any previously defined variables, we use the clear all, and similarly to close whatever earlier we executed, all those programs and calculations will be closed off. And to clear the command window, so that means once you execute this script file, we need to know what is the output of only the requirement related to the script file. So for that we have to use CLC, clear command window. Now come to creating a vector. Suppose A1 vector. I would like to start with a square bracket. Vector, to create a vector we start with a square bracket. Now the elements, suppose with the 5 entries, 1, 0, 3, -1, 4, 5, like this. Now observe here, you run this file and observe the output over the command window LHS. This is, I'm simply dragging this, and now observe here the same matrix A1 1 0 3 -1 4 5. So this is how we create a vector in MATLAB. Another file I would like to execute another vector with 1 2 3 4 5. It is nothing but the elements are increased one step at every stage. Once we run this file, now see what we will get. In place of A2 we are getting 1 2 3 4 5. You observe the second vector here, each entry is increased by one step. So to execute the same thing, we used another syntax. See, like this, the another vector A H means what is the increment and B is the end point. Here the starting point is 1, ending point is 5, and increment is 1. It's clear? Now see, suppose if I will take the vector A3 is equal to 1, again increment is 1 and 5. See what we will get once we run this file. See, we are getting the same vector. Even see, suppose if we are not giving this increment, MATLAB software will give automatically with one increment. See, I am running the same. So again we are getting the same. Suppose I would like to give 0.5 increment at every stage. Now let us see. See here, 1 1.5, 2 2.5, 3 3.5, 4 4.5, 5. Okay. Now the same thing, this is Now let us see what is another syntax to create a vector. That is nothing but line space a b n. Here what is the syntax? linspace, where a is nothing but the starting point, b is nothing but ending point. Here n represents number of total from a to b, number of points from a to b. So that what n indicates. Now let us see a4. Okay, now I would like to execute this. A4 is equal to what we will get. A4 is equal to 1, sorry, line space 1 to 5. I need to execute 5. Now once we run this file, see what we will get in place of A4. See here, we are getting the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or suppose I would like to execute only 3. See now 1, 3, 5. Or you would like to execute 10 number of points from 1 to 5. See 1, see from 1 to 10, and for previous one 1 to 9 here, and for this from 1 to 5 the total 10 number of points. So this is how do you create a vector. So there are 3 different ways. Now I would like to create a matrix. How do you create a matrix? To create a matrix, now let us see, suppose A5 2 by 2 square matrix I would like to execute with the entries 1, 3 in a first row, and to go to the next row entries just press enter, type suppose 5 and -10. This is right. Now we execute this file and observe over the command window, see 1, 3, 5, -10. So I would like to use the another syntax for this execution of the same 1, 3. Instead of going to the next line, simply give the colon 5, -10. That colon represents it goes to the next row. Now see, once we execute this file, we are getting 1, 3, 5, -10. Here 1, 3, 5, -10. So this is, friends, how do you create a vector with a different syntaxes. How do you create a matrix? Thank you.